Good evening, everyone. We are going to start in 5 minutes. Till then, let every other student also join. Okay.
Ritik.
Good evening, everyone. So I think that few students haven't joined still, but we are going to start the session. Okay. I'm giving my introduction first. I am Vansh, Technical Operational Lead at Global Next Consulting Indian Private Limited. Okay, so it's given me immense pleasure to welcome you all to this 6-week internship program. Congratulations, all of you, for getting this opportunity. And I want to tell you about this 6-week internship program first, that how it will going to boost your confidence. It will help you to up your skills and many more things. So first of all, guys, that students from all over India colleges have joined in this internship program. Okay, and you can see the growth in yourself as well as others with if you are going to continue this from day 1 to the 45th day of this internship program. Okay, so this is a 6-week internship program where every week you are going to learn a new stack, and then we will provide you a project based on that stack so that you can just build that particular project and learn practically while creating that project. Okay, so this is a good practice for that. And also, the internship is not just designed for learning opportunity, but it is also a platform to upskill yourself, to apply what you have already know, to explore new technologies also. Okay, so it will be a great platform. If you are going to use it, then you will see the immense growth in you. Okay, and also we believe in nurturing such talents, and we are excited to see the innovative ideas and the work ethics you will bring with you. You will here also get a chance that how you can learn with other students as well as work with team collaboration. Okay, so this is also a good thing that you are going to see over here. So yes, so let me just introduce you all with your instructor who are going to take the sessions for you for every 6 weeks. Okay, so hello Abhisha ma'am, are you there?
Yes, hi. Am I
Yes.
audible to you?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Okay.
Yeah, so guys, she is going to take your lectures for the 6-week internship program. And I know that you are going to just learn from his experience as well as whatever she are going to tell you. Okay, so I want this to be a two-way conversation where you have to respond to your mentor or your instructor. Whatever she is teaching to you, you have to also do that on time. Okay, and this platform you will come to know more about it when you are going to just be consistent over this 6-week internship period. We have also shared the website link at your respective group, so you can check from there also that about the colleges that whose students have participated in that. Okay, and you don't all have to worry about your offer letter. You will get it as soon as possible. Just fill those forms which were there in the respective group of yours, so that we can just get your data and create the offer letter accordingly for each and every student. Okay, so don't worry about offer letter, just focus from one day to just up skills your skills level. Okay, so this is what I expect from all of you, and I know that you are going to just deliver the best thing at your end. Okay, so now over to you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you so much, Vansh. Thank you. Thanks for letting them know all of the details. So, hi, how are you? How everyone is up, right? So, the side of Vipsha. So, today we are going to discuss about the details, how we are going to start and how well we will be going ahead with the same. So I will be sharing my screen. So before that, as he has already let you know, like this should be a two-way conversation. I want it to be more interactive. It's not like only I am speaking. You also have to speak. Like if you are having any doubt, you can raise your hand, or you can definitely unmute yourself and let me know whatever doubt you are having. Clear, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay,
Yes,
great,
ma'am.
great, 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 great. So you can definitely open up your mic and let me know with all of the details, and anything you are having any doubt or you are unable to switch on your mic, any issue, you can definitely go ahead and type it down in the chat box. Fine? Works for everyone?
Yeah, ma'am.
G-
Yes, ma'am.
Great, 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 great. So I am just going to share my screen. You people just let me know, is my screen visible to you or not? Fine? Yeah. Is it visible?
Yes,
Okay,
it is
okay.
visible.
Okay, okay, great, great, great. And my voice is also audible to you, right? Okay, great.
Yes.
So, so yeah, it is fine from your end, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, so so first, this is an AI ML internship, 6 weeks internship we are having, right? So the very first thing that we need to know, that is the basics and advanced level of Python, right? So I am not sure of how, from where you people are coming, like what is, like in which year you are. So we will go from the very basics and going ahead, like to the advanced version of AI ML. Fine, clear?
Yeah, ma'am.
Clear?
Yeah,
Okay,
Yeah, ma'am.
ma'am.
okay.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
got it. Yeah. So for this, we will be using Gig for Gigs, this website to for the like whatever you can say, like the for the content or something, so that it is already there with you. Right? You will be having this available with you in the website, like Gig for Gigs. You like all people can access this. So you will be having the content because we already know, like we have to practice. Practice is very much needed in case of coding. So Python we will be starting with, okay, and we'll be cover the basics of Python, and eventually we will move ahead with, okay, and this sessions will not just will be the theoretical part. We will do everything in the collab, hands on hands. I will suggest you to join from your laptop if possible and open up your collab files, so that like by the side we can also practice, right? I will be showing you in a collab also, and by the time you will also have to like practice the same thing with me in your collab file. Fine, works for you,
Fine.
right?
Yes,
Uh,
ma'am.
Okay, fine. So first, let me know the agenda. Let me just share the agenda. First week agenda, what we are going to start with, and how we will be proceeding. Okay, so for week one, we will be for the theoretical part, we will be covering the variables, loops, functions, OOPS concept, then NumPy, Pandas, you know, the very well libraries of Python, without which we won't be able to go ahead with the AIML part, right? Then the very essential part is the mathematical sections, like linear algebra, probability, statistics. For AIML, they play a major role, very much major role of the mathematics, basically probability statistics. Okay, and in practical, definitely we will be going ahead with data wrangling with pandas, numpy. We will be doing that, along with we will be learn from where we can take the data set, how we can import the data set, how we can build the model. Eventually we will be learning all of this. Fine, clear, clear.
yeah, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, okay. Got it, fine. So first, let us go ahead with Python. So why we chose Python as the language, right? So the very first thing is it is most popular language, very much well-known language, and it has very high level, high level language. It does use in many sectors, not only in AI ML. We do use in web development, data science, machine learning, automation, game development, desktop application. In all of these fields, we are using Python, right? Basically, we are using Python for its readability, right? And it is very much like, because the syntax, whatever be the syntax we are using, that is very much beginner friendly. Anyone who doesn't have like very small knowledge about programming, they, if they are going ahead and learning this or seeing the codes, they are like somewhat they will be able to understand. Very beginners will be like, by the code also they will just make to know like what exactly is happening. Not in details, obviously. For that you need to practice, you need to be like go ahead with that, you need to engross with the stuff, then only will be get to know, right? So we can discuss of some of the famous applications. You are very well acquainted with YouTube. Day by day you are using it in a regular basis. You are using YouTube for seeing videos, maybe for your study purpose, any other entertainment purpose, you're using YouTube. There also we have used Python. Instagram, very well known platform, social networking platform. So there we are using Python. Spotify, very well known for music. Like we are getting also recommendations based on our preference in Spotify. And Dropbox, Netflix. I guess you all are acquired with this, like well acquired with these terms and these apps. You all have used it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Yes.
So if all these applications does have Python as their, like they have written the code in Python itself. Okay. So first, the very basic things will be learning, and eventually we will move to collab. Fine. So first is input output. Like what is the basics of input output? So here you can see, you are able to see my screen, right?
Yeah, ma'am. That's
Okay.
it.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So yes. So how we are just taking the like how we are putting ahead and going ahead with taking the input and how we are getting the output. This is all we will be learning first. So input and output. Okay. So input is the function. So if there is any function that is input function, we need to get like the user, they need to give the input out. So for that, we are using input function. Okay, fine. So
Fine, ma'am.
very first step, print. We are all about it, how we can do print hello world, right? So print is an inbuilt function that Python already have. Okay, let us just move ahead with collab. Uh, very well known, the very first program every programmer, every student learns, that is print program in any of the language. So here also we will be going ahead. So okay, print. Okay, I can print hi, this is a bib shop, right? Okay, it is visible to you. Okay, so
Yeah, ma'am.
print is the inbuilt function. After that, we have used the first bracket, that is the parenthesis. Then in the second inverted comma, we have just put hi, it is Abhibsha. It is a string. Okay, so now let me run it. Let's see how it is printing. Yes, so it is printing like this. Okay, so we can take another thing for the print also. Let us see what exactly is the issue we are having. If we don't put the second inverted comma. Okay, so we are putting A. Okay, so let me run it. Okay, that is an error. A is not defined only. So how it will print, right? So let me just put it in second inverted comma. Now, oh, sorry. Yes, now let us run it. So it is going and printing A, right? So this
Right.
much it is clear to you?
Yeah.
Okay, oh, got it.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
So, okay, we can go ahead with the data types. Just a minute. Okay, yes, print. First we have print this. Print statement is very much well clear to you. Next is comments. Like there are certain positions where we need to comment certain lines. Like when you will be building like any of the project or working with any of the project. So for that, for your understanding, and also if you want any other person, or if you are showing it to me also, right, I am not going to see all of the code, right? So this comment is very much necessary there, because you are like, when you will be starting a code, you will comment the line, like comment one line, and tell that whatever you are doing in that very code, what section you are doing it in that very code. Okay, so suppose here in this collab I have printed A, right? So what I can do, I can just suppose you don't know what I have done, what I did here. So I will comment this and I will write uh okay, printing statement. Sorry. Yeah. So this is the one. So anyone who doesn't have idea what it is going to do, this print statement. So anyone who is very new to it will be able to understand from this comment section, printing the statement. So it will not affect the code, not affect the output. It will just for our personal understanding. Okay. I'm just now running the code. Okay. So the things are very much clear to you now, how this comment statement works, right?
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay. Okay, suppose now it is for single line. Okay, so now I am printing it like, okay, what I can say, like printing statement. Uh, okay, statement I am seeing. Okay, so this one is not commented, right? Because this doesn't make any complete sentence. So this hash, this sign is for single line of line where we are starting with the code. So now we need to just put it, I also need to put comment on statement. There are two options. First, we can do state, like put hash over this, or else we can do what we can do. Sorry, we can put right? So what I put, three single inverted commas I put. So they are in different line, but actually this is not affecting. This total is printed. Okay, hash is for single line. When we are going, we need to like comment. Suppose 5 to 6 lines, we are not going ahead and putting hash in every single line. That doesn't look good also, right? In viewing section, that doesn't look good also, right? So then in we can use this. Okay, clear to you?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, fine. So next we are moving ahead with variables, like how we are going with variables. Like variables are very important part. So suppose we need to store any value, maybe it was A, B, C, D, or any of the number from 0 to infinity, any number I want to store. Okay, so I need a variable to store that. Okay, suppose you must have known, just a minute, let me just put, like if I give only 10, I want to make my machine know that I have any value that is 10. Okay, 10. So I am just running it. So it is printing 10, but it is not, in further cases, it is not being able to like recallable. Next, I also have to initialize it again, right? So I am storing it X, suppose X, I am putting it into like this 10. Okay. Now I want to print this value. What I will be doing, print X. Sorry. Okay. So let me just see how it is. Yes, it is printing. Suppose I am not printing it. I am just removing it. Okay. Just let me just comment it out. Okay. So now let me run the code. X equals to 10. Okay. It has just get allocated. Fine. So if I need to just put any values in any of the form and make my machine machine need to run, need to know actually, like this is the value which I am storing. So I need to put any value. Suppose here I have put x. X is a variable that we have put. Now we will be discussing what are the rules for naming a variable. Okay. So first of all, the variable can start with any letters, any alphabets actually, from capital A to Z to small a to Z. And you need to know that this variable, this Python language is very much case sensitive. Case sensitive means like they are very well to known with the like the type, like you are using small alphabets or the like uppercase alphabets. They are very like very much like sensitive to it. Like suppose here, let me just give you an example. Like x equals to 10 I have put. Okay, so now I need to print it down. Okay, okay, like let me just print it now. Okay, see, there is, we are getting and name error, identity error, not defined error, right? Because I have used capital X over here, but when I have initialized it with any value, that is 10 I have initialized, there the value is, I have used small x, right? So let me just change it over and rerun it. It is printing, right? You are getting me?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So is it interesting? Like you are able to understand things?
Yeah, ma'am, I understand.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
any one of you are doing it in your collab?
Yes,
No?
ma'am.
Okay, you are
Yes,
doing
ma'am.
it.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am, I'm
okay,
doing.
fine. Okay, okay, great, great. So these are very basics. So many of you might have known all of this. So since we are not knowing that like how much well advanced or how much people are knowing, so we are starting from very basic level. Okay. So if you are also practicing it with me, you will also get it too in your nerves and you'll be able to get it through, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, okay, got it. So first, as I said, we can go ahead with start with any of the alphabet, be it smaller case or a capital case, any of them, or we can also start with underscore, and we can use underscore in between also. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Anyone's mic is on? Can you please shut it off? Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. Next, we cannot start with any number. Like suppose I want to store any value, integer value, suppose 10 only I am starting with. Instead of x, I am putting 1. Okay. 1 equals to 0. That doesn't make a sense also, and more of that is not acceptable also. That doesn't comes into count as well. It doesn't make a sense that 1 equals to 0, or sorry, 1 equals to 10, right? So that doesn't make a sense also, and also there isn't syntax error because the rules already said that we cannot start with a number. We have to start with any of the alphabets, any of the letter or underscore. Okay. And also can only use alphanumericals. We can definitely use it. Suppose A1 equals to 10. It is working, right? It is A1. Yes. Now it is printing, right? So it is like this. And eventually we are moving ahead. This all are the, as I mentioned, case sensitive. This is all it is. So now we are going ahead to the most amazing part of this, that is the data types, how the datas are. So here in this chart you can definitely see how the data is, like what are the data types we are having in Python. So we do have numerical type of data. Next, dictionary, boolean, set, sequence type. Okay. So in numeric, we do have three different characters. How we are going ahead with integers, float, complex number. So integers does mean numbers. That is, it is dealing with numbers. Next, integers, sorry, numeric in integers, like integers does count with all of the positive values, negative values, whatever be it, it does count it on integers. Okay. float. Float are the fraction values or the decimal values that we are having. That is into float. Okay. And complex number. Complex number, that is imaginary number. You are all acquainted with, like A plus IB, this type of data, like this type of numbers you are well known with, right? So this type of numbers comes under complex number. So numeric type of data set comes with this types of data types. Next is a dictionary. Boolean. Boolean is yes or no. We will give the when we are going ahead and putting any or initializing any value, we are getting the value as yes or no. That is Boolean. Set. Set, you already have learned in maths, like structures all together. They are coming under set and sequence. In sequence, we are dealing with strings, list, tuples, all this. We will be learning one by one. Okay. So in case of inputs, this we will be discussing. Okay. See, suppose string I have already shown you previously. Hi, this is Abhipsha. I first thing we have printed, hi, this is Abhipsha. So this is a string. String, any when we are going ahead and printing any of the sentence and we put it into second inverted comma, they are counted like transferred to string kind of variable. Okay. Next, going ahead, sorry, yes, the next is integer. As I mentioned, any of the positive value, negative value, numbers, basically, they are into integers. Float, float, how it is, how are floats? Floats are fractions, decimal numbers, complex numbers like a plus ib, this type of value, or 3j or 3i, this kind of values comes into complex values. A plus ib, in this form, a is the real value, ij or 3a or anything we are writing with j, this value is comes under like the imaginary part. Okay. List is this. List in general we put it into square bracket. Okay. So and tuple we put it into first bracket, first hand bracket, or the first parenthesis we can say. Okay. So here we basically stores in list and tuple, we basically store string values so that they are into a structured format. Okay, when we need to categorize or structurize some of the values in a single shade, we can just go ahead with list and tuple. Next is dictionary, sets. These are all similar kind, but it does makes in dictionary, like we already have used dictionary, right? So here name, Suraj, age, these are the values we are getting. Name, we have a question like name, in respect we have the value like Suraj. So name is the key, Suraj is the value. Okay. Again, age is the key, 24 is the value. Okay. So this is how we are storing it in a dictionary. Next is set where we are storing all of the elements in a structured format under second parenthesis, and we are putting it all together. Okay. Boolean, as I said, it gives it either true or false value. And in case of binary, we know binary value 0 or 1, this kind of values we are getting. Okay. Understood, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So now we will learn how to like take input from the user. Okay. So suppose I am making a website. I need to put I need to make sure that the user put the value and that value stores into a variable. Previously, what we are doing, we are just initializing. We are putting it A1 equals to 10, right? So now what we will be doing, we will be letting the user put the value and that value will be stored as A1. Okay? Understood? Hello? And
Yes,
hello?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, fine. Got it. Okay. So let us do that. Okay. So what we will be doing, input. Okay. Let us just run the code. So we are putting it like A1 equals to input, please enter the number, right? Now I am just printing it. Print A1. Okay, let us just run the code. Okay, so we have got an option to enter the number. Okay, here I am putting the number. Eventually, when we will be starting any website or anything we will be doing, there the user will put the data. Okay, let's suppose I am putting 20. I'm putting enter. See, A1 in A1 20, this value is stored and it is also printing the value. Okay, clear?
Yeah,
So
ma'am.
anyone of you wants to try, so you can let me know any number you want to print or anything you want to print. Any number? Anyone?
10, ma'am.
Sorry. 10 we have already. Okay, fine, not an issue. We can use 10. It is printing 10, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. 20.
Okay. Similarly,
Uh,
yes, we have already printed 20. We can do that again.
Ma'am, instead of number, can we enter the name also? No?
Yeah, obviously we will be learning that as well. Everything we can put it, not only just number, as we have discussed, right? How the data types are. String, I have already let you know how the strings work. So eventually, not only numbers, we can go with string as well. Okay.
So can we add any means comment there in the means where we enter that number like that?
Sorry, I'm not getting you.
When we insert the input, no. So in that input, can we enter the comment also? Comment.
Yes, definitely. Definitely. No, sorry, I didn't get you. In this here only you are saying comment?
No. Where you written no, the please enter the number, and
Right.
then we run that and we enter the number. So instead of entering the number, can we add the comment anything means?
Comment, why we need to comment? Like there is no need of commenting over here, right? Because when we do comment, like when we are writing the code, we want anything that we don't want, like that the whole section of code is not answerable to you, suppose not understandable to you, then I am just writing that comment so that that code is understandable to you. Here we are already putting, suppose you are you visualize one website. When you are going ahead with this website, so what you do, when you just go for sign up, they ask you the question, please enter your name, right? Then you get the slot where you enter your name. Then there is a slot, enter your number. Then you put on and enter your role, like any of your mobile number on any of the thing. Then you add other details, password and stuff. Then you sign in, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
it works like this. So please enter the number. This thing will be shown to the user. Okay, let me just run it once. Yes, please enter the number. The user, here I am the user, or you are seeing it, right? I am just running the code. You are seeing it. So you are getting to know, please enter the number. And now you have the access to put any of the number of your choice. Right?
Okay, so can we add means multiple numbers also there?
Okay, if we need to add multiple numbers, then we have to store it. Like this is very simple now. We are going ahead with all of the details, right? So, like I will be taking it along with that, and let me just answer your question. So now for one single variable, we are putting only one number. Now, if we want to print another, we can store it in another variable, right? Suppose here we are printing it 10, putting enter, it is printing 10. Similarly, we are putting it as B1, suppose. Okay. And now I am printing it as 10. Enter. Then it is asking for another value. I am putting it as 20. Now printing it. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
This
Yes, ma'am.
is
Clear, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
fine. Okay,
Yes.
got it.
Ma'am,
So
why can't we use map and split?
definitely we can use every possible details. See, I understand. That's why I told you, like, it is, we can use everything, but I need to work from the very beginning stage, right? So I am showing all the, like, in the initial stage I haven't let you know about map, split, and all these operations, right? So that's why I am just like, whatever the known range till now we have stuck, like, structured, and I have let you know, based on that only I am saying. Okay, definitely you are right. We can go ahead later. We can definitely discuss all of it. Right? Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Clear to you? Okay, okay, fine. So, uh, who have asked the question about like printing multiple number? May I know your name, please?
Ma'am, Shivendra Patil here.
Okay, Shivendra. It is clear to you, right? You
Yes,
understood,
ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine, fine. Okay. So, like the same here as you are asking about like any of the name. So we can also put it into the name, like how we are putting the name. Similar way, where we have put the values as the numbers, we can put the numbers instead of numbers, the name, right? Let me just show you. Let us store it in a variable, suppose X, input, enter, enter your name. Print, sorry, print text. Now it is asking me about the name. So let me say Ram. It is printing Ram, right? So it is true for also the numbers, also the name, the string we can print any of the values, like numerical values. We can also put it, like, suppose if you are running it and putting it, it's a, right, 10.00, another number 20.87. It is printing, like any of the numerical value we are thinking of, we can print it. Now there is, suppose we have a restriction and we need to put only the integer value, right? Only the integer value we need to print on. Okay, then what we will be doing, we can't afford to take it take any of the imaginary number or the float number. Similarly, I am just copy pasting to save the time, because the code is similar. Okay, so here, suppose we are putting it like this. This is like this. Next, suppose we are putting X equals to int input enter the number of your choice. Now let me print. Suppose 10 I have print. 10.76 I am printing. Now I am also printing the same number, 10.76. It is giving error because I have allowed only int values, not the float values. Okay, understood? So now when I am now putting it on, so here I can put any values. I have taken float value going ahead. Now I have to put any of the single input integer value. Okay, 7 I am putting in. It is printing, right? Got it? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, got it. Fine. Now we will go ahead with Python operators. So how the operators are: parenthesis we are having, exponentiation we are having, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, all of this we are having. Okay. So first, parenthesis. Parenthesis does mean what are the details we are going ahead with parenthesis, like how the parenthesis makes a difference. Next, exponentiation, multiplication, division, like any of the two numbers we are having, we can do anything with that. So here I am just not going into collab. If you want, I can definitely do it in collab, but here they have well explained. I am going ahead with this example. If you want, let me know. We can definitely go ahead with collab and do it on hands. Okay. So suppose here a we have taken a variable and initialized it with any of the integer value. 9 we have did here. B we did it with 4. Now we did it with addition. We need to put addition. So now we need to do addition. So we just put add. We have taken again a variable where the addition value will be stored. Add equals to a plus b. Now it will give the answer as 9 plus 4. It gives the answer as 13. So it will print 13. Similarly, for subtraction, a minus b, it will give 5. Multiplication, a star b. Here for Python, we are using star. We don't have like the x is not the cross operation. For multiplication, we are using star. So a star b gives the multiplication. That is 9 into 4 gives 36. That value is there. A double mod value we are having. Mod value we are printing it with like the division value actually. So a division b. Similarly, we are going ahead and printing all of these values. Okay, got it? Fine. Now, do we need to go ahead with collab or it is clear to you? I think it should be clear to you. There is no such
It is
things
clear.
to add on. Clear, right?
Clear, ma'am. Clear.
Oh, okay, fine. Next is comparison. How we are going ahead with comparison. Like suppose A equals to 10, B equals to 20. We need to print A equals to B. So we are checking if A value is equal to B or not. So it is returning the value false. That is the Boolean value. We are well known about the Boolean value, like data types. There we also read about Boolean values. Since A is 10 and B is 20, they are not equal. So they are putting it as 10 is not equal to 20. So the value is that we are getting, that is false, right? Next, we need to check this operations. They were A we need to check how it is going, because we need to check in each and every step where like we are checking A not equal to B, right? So this is giving us true because the value of A is 10 and value of B is 20. Definitely A is not equal to B. So it is giving us true value. Similarly, for greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, we are checking and we are getting the values right way. Okay. Next, logical operators. We do have logical and, logical or, logical not. These three operators we are basically having. So suppose we need to check it on like how we are going and how we will be checking it through. So A and B, A is true, B is false. Like we need to print it likewise. So it is getting it in this format. We will be discussing it in details later. Okay, all of the details we will be putting it in this format. Like there are other operators as well, logical operators, bitwise operators, assignment operators. Okay, this we will be learning in the next sections. So as of now, you just tell me like you are having any doubt till now, you are getting any of the doubt till now.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you
No.
please say us the difference between modulus and floor division?
Okay, definitely. So, okay. Okay. About this you are telling, right? Like the operators you are saying, right? Anyone was telling about operators, right?
Yes, ma'am, the difference between floor division and modulus in the arithmetic operators.
Okay, fine, definitely. Okay. Just a minute. Okay, we can do one thing. We can discuss all of the details, like how we are going and how what we are doing, one by one. then that would be easy for you to understand as well, right?
Yes, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Got it. So, okay. First, all of the operators, we are all knowing in the parenthesis, exponential, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So what we will be doing, we will be putting it into code, like A equals to 10, B equals to 20. Now we need to just do the printing, suppose, sorry, X equals to 10 plus 20. Print X. Okay. So it is printing 30, right? I have not initialized it. This is one thing. And what next we can do, A equals to A plus B. Print X. Okay. So this is well understood to you, right? We first, what we did, we have initialized a value A equals to 10, B equals to 20. We did. Next, we have taken a variable X. We have tried mathematical operations like 10 plus 20. Here we have not included the variables up here. Just put 10 plus 20, print X, we are getting the value 3. X we have previously initialized as A equals to 10, B equals to 20. Right. So now we are going ahead and putting it X equals to A plus B. Printing X, we are getting the same value. This is clear to you? Right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. We will be discussing all of the details because since you asked the question, many other people also might having the issue in the same thing. So I will be answering like going ahead with the from the very first thing and answering one by one to like so that no person have any of the question in them about the stuffs. Okay?
Sure, ma'am.
Okay. So next going ahead, this is understandable. So first this is the addition. Next we can do for uh, subtraction. Okay, so we can put it as A equals to, we can take 10. Similarly, B equals to 20. Now we need to do the subtraction between B minus A. Okay, so what I did up here, so for subtraction, what I did, I have taken a variable A, stored a value 10, B variable I have taken, stored the value 20. Okay, now X, a variable again I have taken to to just store the result. What result we are having, we have to store that very value. So we have taken X and we have included B minus A because B is greater and A is smaller. So we are printing B minus A. Now I have taken a statement print. I need to print the result. Print the result. After doing it, I have put a comma and print the value of X. So it is showcasing the result up here. Okay. So similarly, if we had to do like X equals to 20 minus 10, sorry, 20 minus 10, print X, it is printing the same value. So there is no difference when we are just going ahead and putting in the values into in any of the format, in any of the variable we are putting and then calling the variable, or we are directly putting the variable for any of the operation, any of the arithmetic operation up here. Okay. So for addition and subtraction, it is clear. Next, we are going ahead with multiplication. A, we are putting it as 10. B, we are putting it as 20. Now we are storing it into a variable A star B. It is done. I need to print it. It is printing the value. Okay. Next, we are going ahead with mod value. Mod is basically what we are doing. We are getting the mod value up here. Okay, let me just put it like this only. Okay, understood? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, we understood.
Okay, got it. Fine. Then all of this, then comparison operator, we will be doing side by side. Like we are going ahead and putting how the comparison operators are working. Okay, so let us go ahead with. Comparison operator. First, what we are doing, we are checking is equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to. Okay, so all of this we will be checking. So we can take a number. You can tell any of the number of your choice. Anyone?
48.
Okay. Next, B we can take. You can choose any number.
101.
Okay, got it. Fine. So in case what we will be doing, so basically what we will be checking, so as comparison operators gives this Boolean values, so eventually we will be checking like how the values are. Is it equal to, not equal to, like this? Fine. So we will be putting, sorry. Okay. So we will be printing A equal to B. We will be sorry. B. We will be checking. So what we are getting? False, of course, right? Because the value A and B is not similar. So we can take it and check it with similar value as well, 48 and 48. So what we will be getting? True value we are getting because A and B consist of the same value. Like we have initialized A and B, both the variable with the same value. Right. So one person has deleted to 101. We can check it and change it to A as 101 and values we are getting it as true. Right. Next, we can check how it is for uh, if not equals. Printing it like that. Okay. False. We are getting the false value because they are equal. How can it be not equal? Right? So we are changing it and putting it to this. So we are getting the true value. Same with greater than, less than. A greater than B, we are getting, and it is printing false. A is not greater than B, right? So if we just for a change, we can also go ahead with some less than value. Like if we check it with less than, less than value, we will getting true values. Now we can change the value to 101 and check it for greater than, we are getting false, right? And for less than also we can check, it is getting false. So it is clear to you like how it is changing up,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Okay, fine. So we can check it for like this, it is greater, we can check it, or less than, sorry, less than. Similarly, we can check it for, suppose A we are taking as 20, B we are taking as 30, and now we need to check print A not like A less than or equal to, just a minute. Okay. Less than or equal to, actually. Okay, so print A less than or equal to, so it is comparing between A and B. So A is lesser or equal to B, so it is giving true because A is less than B. Suppose we are printing, putting it as 30. It will also turn it as true because it is giving less than and equal to. Both things are comparing at the same time. If the value that is stored in A is less than B or equal to B, both the comparison is going hand in hand. So it is printing it as true. Okay. Similarly, we will be going for the same. If we can check for greater, it is also printing true because the values are same. Now we are putting it as 40. It is also printing true because the value of A is always greater than, like not always, I have put it like that. It is greater than 40. Okay. So if we put it in 20, how the thing is, it will definitely count it to false. Okay. Understood? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
as of now, things are clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes,
now we
ma'am.
can, okay. So now we are going ahead with checking with the format, like how the formatting, like formatting the output. We can format the changes. How can we format the output? How can we go ahead and like make us learn how we are going to put the values, like how the output will be presented to us. Okay. So here we are going with the output formatting. So we first operation, inbuilt operation we are using, that is format. Okay. So amount is a variable where we are choosing the value that is 150.75. Okay. Now we are wishing that we want to put dollar sign in front of it, and it should count to 2 decimal place after the value. So it is printing off like that. So for this, we are using the syntax and we are printing it off like this, like amount, because in amount we have taken the value 150.75. Now what is the difference we are getting up here? We are using dollar symbol and getting the output like this. Okay, we can use sep and end parameter. Sep is separate and end parameter we are using up here to format our output that we are getting. Okay, so for this we have taken a print. Hello, anyone's mic is on, can you just switch it off please? Hello, you want to tell anything? Hello. Okay, let's just ignore this. Continuing with this, like we are using end and sep parameter up here to print the values, like how the user will get the output as. So in this format, first we have just printed the value. What we need to print? We need to print Python. So we are putting it like this and we end it with @. Okay. So, and we are printing it like at the end, like end. We are use @ and again we are putting it into print gigs for gigs we are using. Okay, so what it will make a difference? Two things we are printing side by side. So what it will do, it will just end equals to at the rate will just in between the two prints that we are doing, it will print that at the rate in between. We can use any of the other values as well, like any of the other signs like hash we can use dollar symbol, any of the symbols we can use it of like this. Okay, next is separating with commas, like how we are separating the values with commas. Like we are printing this separately, we can definitely print it together, but now we need to just like we need to use it with sep operator. We need to know how the sep operator works. That's why we are going and putting it like this. So we are printing the values as G, F, G. This all are we are printing like single way. We are not going and printing it together and just separating it with blank sign. We are separating and we are getting the print as GFG like this. Now formatting with date, how we can format the date. So we have the values as 9, 12, 20, 26. We have the values. Now in between we need to put this like hyphen. Okay, so how we will be doing it? It is difficult to put it like 9, like putting it like in other format 09 hash 12 hash 2026. We need to write all of this, so we don't want to write it like that. So we are just taking only the values and using sep operator so that it is separating the values with hyphen. So we are getting the values like this. So another example for string we are taking similarly as we have taken it for n, but here we are using it sep. So what it will do between pratik and gigs for gigs, it will just add this add at the rate. This value is adding. Okay. Okay. It is understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
any of you did it the collab file? Anything you put it in your collab file? Like whatever we have discussed as of now?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Okay, fine. If you want, can you just save that very collab file only, and henceforth next when we will be moving in and discussing step by step the next thing, you continue in the same collab. So you will have the you will don't have to do it in another notebook. Continue the thing in the same collab file. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And so we are stopping the session here only. From tomorrow, we will be going ahead and we'll be learning with the other operations and operators that we are having. And we'll also learn it in Google Colab. Like we will be practicing side by side. Okay. Fine.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Just a minute. So I just wanted to know from you people what where you are, like in which college you are and which degree you are pursuing. Can you tell?
Yeah, ma'am. I am from Ghaziabad and pursuing BTech final year student. I am from ABS IT.
Okay, fine. So you do have you have worked with Python previously, have worked built any of the models, any of the projects using Python you did? Hello, Ujjwal?
Yeah, hello, ma'am.
Yeah, have
Ma'am,
you used Python?
yeah, ma'am. In my previous time, actually, I worked in my NVIDIA team in my
Mm-hmm.
college, and I worked with many Python library like Panda, NumPy, and others. I
Okay.
use
Okay.
previously.
Okay, fine. So, you are well versed with importing CSV file, working with the file and stuff.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So, any of the project you did with Python?
Yeah, ma'am, 2 or 3 projects I learned during training period,
Okay.
like multi-person face detection system, and
Okay.
speed monitoring system.
Okay, fine. Got it. So, just wanted to check, like you want to get into AI/ML, like the concepts of AI/ML. So you have any idea how the AI/ML works, anything like that? Hello? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Ujjwal, you want to speak up?
Sorry, ma'am, can you repeat again question?
I just wanted to ask you, like, do you have any prior knowledge, idea about the AI/ML? Like, what are the machine learning models we are using? What are the stuff and details?
Yeah, ma'am, little bit process I remember. Like when I uh, learned
Mm-hmm.
the projects about multi-page detection system. Firstly, I
Okay.
created database and annotated with tools. Exact name of these tools I didn't remember, and I
Okay.
annotate with and classify into some classes uh, like I choose the class animal and subclasses like dog, cat, and another. And I
Okay.
trained the Python file with the database. And when I choose the file from my desktop, then my trained model predicted the output.
Okay. Okay. Got it. So you have used the supervised learning method there, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Got it. Nice having a word with you, Ujjwal. So, anyone else want to speak up and want to tell in which university or college they are and which degree you are pursuing?
Ma'am, myself Pranshu Sharma, pursuing BTech from IMS Engineering College, Ghaziabad,
Okay, great.
currently in fourth year.
Okay, fine. So, you also did any of the projects related with Python, AI/ML, anything?
Yes, ma'am, I have done quite a lot of projects regarding supervised and unsupervised learning. For in supervised,
Okay.
most basically regression and classification tasks.
Okay, great. So you haven't worked with the unsupervised or any of the model building or connecting with like the front end, this kind of things you haven't done, right?
No,
Or
ma'am,
you
I have
have
done
did?
some of the stuff already.
Okay,
Like I
sound.
have used Flask, or maybe I am currently learning Fast API, which is now recently progressing. So based on
Okay.
Fast API, I have done quite products.
Okay, great, great. So anyone else want to tell anything related to like in which university you are, which degree you are pursuing?
Hello, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
myself,
Hello,
yes,
ma'am.
please
I'm
tell.
Shivendra Patil.
Okay.
Actually, I have completed my studies and looking for the job opportunities right now.
Okay, okay, got it, fine.
And
Uh,
I'm familiar with the Python, artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, neural
okay,
networks.
okay, great. So like you are going for this internship for like getting an advanced stuff and giving like getting hands-on experience on. Is it like
Yes, ma'am.
that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 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 great. So which year you have completed your studies? Like this year only?
No, ma'am. I completed in 2023.
Okay, okay, got it. So which degree you pursued? BTech?
Actually, first I completed BTech in biotechnology engineering, and
Okay.
after that I completed a PG diploma in artificial intelligence from CDEC.
Okay, okay, got it. Fine. Great. Great to know. Okay. Well, definitely learn together, implement projects together, will get good hands-on experience on. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So, anyone was speaking?
Good evening,
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, myself.
Yeah, please
Good
tell.
evening, ma'am. Myself, Aishwarya, ma'am. I did the
Okay.
Python projects.
Sorry, I just
My,
missed out. Actually, your voice was breaking. Can you come again?
good afternoon, ma'am. Good evening,
Yeah,
ma'am.
please. Yeah, please tell, please. Good evening.
I did Python projects, ma'am.
Okay.
Final year project, ma'am. I use Python, ma'am.
Okay, okay, got it, fine. So you did anything related to AI ML, how it is? or
Yes,
basic
ma'am.
project? Okay.
I use logistic regression, adaptive, and random forest, ma'am.
Okay, okay, got it, Aishwarya. Okay, so you are pursuing like BTech in like CSE?
No, ma'am. I completed MSc Statistics, ma'am.
MSc Statistics you did, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine. So you are in the final year of it, right?
No, ma'am. I'm a fresher, ma'am.
No, no, final year of your like you completed your studies, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 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 fine. Got it, Aishwarya. Sorry, actually there is certain noise coming up. That's why I couldn't hear you properly. Sorry for that. Okay. Yeah, Varsha, please tell.
Hello, madam.
Hello.
Good evening, madam.
Good evening.
So, madam, I have done some projects on CV.
Sorry, your voice is actually breaking. I'm not getting you.
I have done few projects on CV.
Okay, okay, fine. Few projects on CV, like based on with Python you have used and attached it in CV. Is it like that?
Yes, madam. With Python only I did.
Okay, 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 got it. Fine. Okay. You did it.
Hello,
You
ma'am.
implement. Yes. Just one by one, please. I am talking with Varsha. Just a minute, please. Okay. Yeah. You implemented any of the project with AI/ML? Like
Yes,
Python you
madam.
used? Okay, okay. So may I know any of the project you have gone ahead with?
I did volume control with the fingers, madam, with hands by using
Okay,
media type.
okay, okay. Got it, Varsha. Yeah. Someone was telling, please continue.
Hello, ma'am. I'm Syotej Verma.
Okay,
I was the recent passed out from MBSR Engineering College, Hyderabad.
okay,
I have prior experience in an ML project that is stock price prediction.
okay,
By using the LSTM model and from taking the datasets from the Kaggle, we have been done that.
okay, okay,
Recently, I have been done an application. I have been done a project called AI Enhanced Educator by using the APIs of the ChatGPT, Gemini, and some other. We have included those with the. We have integrated those, and we have done the AI Enhanced Educators in project.
okay.
That's it.
Okay, got it, fine. It's great to like know you personally, like in this format. Virtually, we get having our interaction and getting to know. Like, can you please switch off the mic, Imran? Yeah, thank you, thank you. It's been great, like interacting with you people. So we'll do one thing after the session ends. We will like for 5-10 minutes we will interact and get to know how the things are going and how we will be like proceeding henceforth. Okay, so see, as it is been set up in the like from the initial stage we need to go. So we will go likewise and eventually for after every week after completion of everything for every week we will be having one project. Okay, so in that very project you have to like do the project accurately and we will be discussing it on the next very day. Okay, this is how the 6 weeks will work. Like after completion of the course, like the theory and the hands-on experiment, like hands-on part on the first week, whatever the theories we are doing we will do it in in hand. We will practice it in lab. Like this is how the structure has been made. Okay, so it's be after we are done doing with this, after we are completing with this, one project will be allocated to you. You have to do the project. Okay, once the project is done we will present it in front of the in this class. We will be presenting, you'll be presenting, and whatever issues you have faced we can discuss, we all can discuss. So I want this session to be very interactive. It's not like only I am speaking. If anyone of you having any doubt can speak it up. If anyone other is also facing any doubt, not only me, any other person who do have the solution for that can also speak it up. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay.
Clear, ma'am.
Great, great, great. Great. So we'll do one thing. So we'll just wrap up the session today here. We'll continue from where we have left next day, like from tomorrow onwards, and eventually we will move ahead. Right? Good for you. You'll understood?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Nice
Thank you,
having a
ma'am.
word with you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Good night.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Bye.
Thank you.